What's up guys, Track Palmer here. My plan for this video was to show you how to replace the water filter in a Samsung refrigerator. But my setup does not need a water filter replacement, and I'll show you why. Normally, you will tap into your water pipe coming from your main and run it to your refrigerator, and your refrigerator will filter that water. But I actually filter my own water. So this is my filtered water. I filter this myself with a 6-stage reverse osmosis system, and I purchased this pump to pump the water to my refrigerator. So with this, I know what I'm putting in my system. This is my filtration system. This is the resin part which I do not use. That is to filter water for my aquarium. This is a 6-stage system. 2 sediment filters here, 2 carbon filters here, and 2 membrane at the top. And I have my bottles here to filter the water. I also use this pump to send more pressure to the system. The only drawback I have with this system is to produce 5 gallons of filtered water, I will have 5 gallons of wastewater. However, this wastewater can be stored and be used to water your garden or whatever you want to do with it. So that's my system. But if you still want to know how to replace the filter in your Samsung refrigerator, let me show you how. First, your refrigerator will normally indicate when your filter needs to be replaced. Open your refrigerator and check for the model number. Mine is right here. Now, order your filter. You have the option of buying aftermarket filter or genuine filters. I went with the genuine filter here. To replace the filter is pretty easy. Twist anti-clockwise to remove the filter. You can notice that this is an aftermarket filter. This is the new filter, and this is a genuine Samsung filter. You can see that the designs at the bottom are slightly different, but the tops are the same. When I'm installing anything plumbing that has a rubber gasket, I like to use this food grade silicone grease to lubricate the seals. Installing is pretty easy. You insert and twist until it goes in. Then you continue to twist until it's locked in place. When it's locked in place, this will point from north to south. Now I can test to see if this is working. At the initial use, you might see a lot of bubbles or air coming from the system. It's pretty much taking the air out of the filter. Just have it run for a little while until you see no bubbles popping. That's pretty much it. All I need to do now is to reset the filter. I need to press and hold the filter button here to remove the filter replacement light. And that is pretty much it to replace the filter. These month stamp stickers should be placed at the front of the filter as a reminder to tell you when you replace the filter. Normally, you would replace these filters every 6 months. That is if you're using the water from the tap. I'm not, so technically, I really don't need to replace my filters in the refrigerator because the water coming through this filter is already filtered, even better than this filter could. I replace this filter every 2 years anyways. That's pretty much it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, but before you go, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one guys.